Experiencing the cellular network not available for voice calls error on your Assurance Wireless phone? This typically means your phone isn't using VoLTE correctly or isn't registered on Verizon's network. This is common because Assurance Wireless uses Verizon, which shut down its older 3G network. To make voice calls, your phone must use VoLTE. This requires a compatible device, a working SIM card, and correct network settings. Older phones pre-2018 or those without VoLTE support are most likely to have this problem. Newer Assurance Wireless phones, like the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, are now standard to address this. If you have an older device, you may need to upgrade. First, ensure your phone supports VoLTE by checking its specifications online. Next, check your SIM card. Ensure it's properly inserted and hasn't expired, as they last about 5 years. Go to your phone's settings and make sure VoLTE is enabled. Also, check your APN settings to ensure they are configured correctly for registration. Try restarting your device. A simple restart often fixes temporary glitches. For advanced users, manually enable VoLTE via the Android hidden menu by dialing 466 tech, then restart your device. If none of these steps work, contact Assurance Wireless support at 1-888-898-4888 or visit their website for further assistance.